Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing something a little different but incredibly useful. Whether you're hosting guests, moving into a new place, or just want a backup bed that doesn't destroy your back, this might be exactly what you're looking for. This is the iDOO Queen Size Inflatable Mattress. I grabbed it because I needed something easy to set up and that doesn't take up much space. It's got a built-in pump and uses this reinforced PVC material to help prevent leaks and stretching. Alright, starting with the unboxing. Honestly, it's surprisingly compact. For something that expands into a king size or queen size bed, the box is pretty manageable. Inside the box, the mattress comes neatly folded and already packed in its storage bag, which is super convenient for keeping everything organized. Let's go ahead and unzip it to see what's inside. The carry bag actually makes this really easy to store or travel with. It's got sturdy handles, so you can just grab it and go, or tuck it away in a closet. Along with the mattress, you also get a few handy extras in the box. First up, there's a repair patch kit, which is great to have on hand just in case you get a puncture. It's simple but super useful for quick fixes. Then there's an info card that explains why air mattresses can deflate overnight and how to prevent it, and on the back there's a quick guide on how to find a leak if one ever happens. And of course, there's a user manual with all the setup instructions and safety info. Here's the built-in pump, which is quite convenient. Just plug it in and press a button. No foot pumps or blowing into valves. That alone is already a win. The built-in pump is super easy to use. The dial has 3 settings. Middle is off. Turn it up to deflate and down to inflate. First, we'll unwrap the mattress and lay it flat. Just make sure it's on a clean surface and away from anything sharp. I'm working with a pretty small space here and it still fits comfortably, which is definitely a plus. Alright, time for the real test. I'm going to plug this in, hit the inflate button and time how long it takes to fully inflate. Now, let's set a timer and see how long it actually takes to fully inflate. And we're done. That took just under 3 minutes. That's really impressive for a bed this size. A queen-sized inflatable mattress. Looks sturdy and it's already holding shape well. One thing that really sets this mattress apart is the 4-chamber support design. It's got 40 built-in air coils that help evenly distribute weight and keep the surface super stable. It actually holds up to 800 pounds, so whether you're sleeping solo or sharing the bed, it still feels supportive and comfortable all night. Even the edges hold pretty well for an inflatable. Definitely something you or your guests can sleep on comfortably. The surface is flogged, which gives it a nice soft feel, kind of like a microfiber. It's not sticky or plasticky, and you don't slide around like with cheaper airbeds. Alright, deflating is just as easy as inflating. Just turn the dial in the opposite direction to the deflate setting, and the pump sucks all the air out for you. No rolling, no squeezing, no wrestling with it. It does the work. And in a couple of minutes, it's flat and ready to fold up. Once the mattress is completely deflated, just pop the plug back in to seal it. Then fold it along the original lines. It's pretty straightforward. From there, you can slide it right back into the carry bag, or if you're short on space, just tuck it under the bed or sofa. It folds up compact, so storing it is quick and hassle-free. So here's what stood out for me. First off, the setup was super fast. I'm talking full inflation in just a few minutes. It's actually comfortable to sleep on, which honestly surprised me. And the queen size, perfect if you've got guests or you're sharing the bed. Plus, that built-in pump is a total game changer. No fumbling with separate hoses or manual pumps. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. You do need to be near an outlet to inflate or deflate, so this probably isn't the best pick for camping. And like any air mattress, it might lose a little firmness over time, but that's totally normal and easy to top off. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button if this helped and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one. See you in the next video.